but I say mommy, Prince mommy, down mommy, never was to mommy. I say mommy, Prince mommy, down mommy, never was to mommy. Me no beko, and the middle
My name is Dandro.
Dandro. Listen to the interview. Please, what's your name?
My name is
Wando.
Yes.
I can see you are so happy today.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So I can see, what is this? What is this?
This one is Moja.
This one is Moja.
Yes. Moja only from black.
This one is black.
Yes.
3 production meet to snap the movie Seeker of the Light. Very good. So today when you come, no, what part did you play?
Oh, I'm a mama. What I'm a spirit.
You are spirit. Spirit. So, oh, I want you to stand well so that you can talk. Yeah. So today you are spirit.
Yes.
So spirit, what do you do? What do you do?
I do anything.
Do you
I can Tintimpa, I can send Tintimpa, I can do all.
So if I tell you to tell someone to go, can you?
Good. Yes, I can tell you to go.
No, me. Thank you for responding us.
Thank you.
Let's go to my wife. Please, can you say? Oh, please. Yes, we are doing interview. Please. Can you mention your name to me?
Yeah, I'm Wizzy.
Wizzy. As we are shooting a movie, please, what part did you play?
I'm a king.
You were king.
You play part 1.
Oh, okay. So when you come, how many people like what do you meet?
I meet so many stars here. We have local stars and international. It's almost Ghanaian local stars. All of them are here.
So can you mention so many people's names to me?
Yeah, I meet here Kazu here.
Yeah.
Hansa here.
Yeah.
Waf here.
Komba is here.
Komba.
Waf is here.
Oh, okay.
A lot of them.
Okay.
Christian also is here.
Oh, okay.
So I can see so many local stars here.
So I can see you are enjoying the Seeker of the Light.
Of course.
God bless you.
Of course, I'm
We
enjoying
will
it
meet you later, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go to our sister. Please, can you mention your name?
Oh, my name is Waf.
Your name is wife?
I said Waf.
Waf. Oh, that's good. Waf. So today you come. Did you enjoy the shooting?
Oh, very well.
So why is the enjoying? Why did you enjoy? Because what did you see? What did you saw that you enjoy?
Please, can I ask you a question?
Yeah. You can ask.
Where did you go to school?
It's a woman to school.
When did your English teacher pass away?
He died class 2.
Oh, I'm so sorry inside. That's why your English is too odd.
So you want to disgrace me? Go, I will not interview you again. Let's go to somebody else. Please, I can see they are telling me that you are director. Please, are you director? Are you an actor?
Actress.
Please, you are an actor. Oh, sorry. Sorry for. Please, are you an actress? Actress. So today we come to the location. How did you feel? How did you saw? How did you enjoy?
I'm so much excited and everything went super.
Please, can you speak louder for me?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm so much excited and everything went on very well. Very super.
Very super. Very super. So you come, did you meet stars or did you meet? How did you feel the today performance, the acting performance? How did you feel?
Everything like I said, everything went on very nice, and I saw many crews. Yes, and I can mention some of their names.
Oh, please, you can mention the name for me.
Wallap, Wazzy, King Glue, Jifala, Malu, Sench.
Okay, those are the people you meet them in the production.
So many, but I can mention few.
Oh, no problem. Thank you. Thank you for visit us. Okay, enjoying. Okay. Okay. Let's go to a certain lady.
Hello.
Yeah, please. Let's go to a certain man. Please, can you name mention your name? Please, we are speaking English throughout. If you can't speak English, you can leave. Yeah, let's go to a certain man. Please, I can see you are holding plenty medicine.
Yeah.
What did you do in the movie?
I'm a warrior and also first aid assistant.
First aid assistant?
Yeah.
So did you come to act or you come to injure people?
I act, I also do the first aid.
You do the first aid?
I also act.
Oh, okay, and you do acting before again.
Yeah.
So today you come to the production. You come to the shooting. Please, can you look at my camera so that imagination people. This is Imagination TV. Okay. So I want you to tell my people, what did you come to meet here?
Okay. The show was very superb. I met a lot of stars. We have great people here, and then the show went on smoothly.
Nice one.
Obata se mami, preso mami, down mami na be wusu mami. Ase mami, preso mami, down mami na be wusu mami. Me no be ko. And me no be ko. Yeah. And me no be ko.
She me wo Chineke God she kada we aya ma me wura ho no don timi to me boxes e de ko to pampers onu mo na me num rugudu o di advice na me weekends me we sa ma ne kama pantan ye mo ya fe so ya nya wedding ma di ndin ada na me wedding Too Lugu yem ko
Me no be ko. Me no be ko. Me no be ko.